Here I have OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key plus volume up by default, but you can also just switch it to like just power key. So anyway, you know how you can turn off your device. You turn it off, and then you hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the following menu you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, or you can just use touchscreen. And here you have such options as recovery, format data, reboot device, or power off. So these are all the options of OnePlus recovery. So if you want to quit it, just select an option reboot device. No, not format. Reboot device and OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.